In this video, we're taking a closer look at Apex Talent Solutions, a UK-based recruitment and consultancy firm that claims to connect people with job opportunities across industries like pharmaceuticals, life sciences, construction, defense, and manufacturing. On the surface, it seems like a legit agency offering diverse career options, but recently, a growing number of concerns have surfaced online that make us question how trustworthy these job offers really are. Several users have reported receiving unsolicited messages out of nowhere, often followed by a strong push to move the conversation onto WhatsApp, something not typical for established recruitment agencies. There are also red flags like vague job descriptions, overly promising benefits that sound too good to be true, and even requests for sensitive personal information early in the process. Some have even pointed out that the listed business address appears fake or unverifiable, which adds to the overall suspicion. While it's possible that Apex Talent Solutions may have some legitimate operations, these warning signs shouldn't be ignored. So if you've been contacted by them or are considering applying, it's important to think twice, do your own research, and approach with caution because while it may not be a straight-up scam, it definitely doesn't feel 100% reliable either.